Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Fireflies.ai as a beginner. So for that you need to open up Fireflies.ai, just search it up on Google and open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will lead you. After that you need to create a account over here. You can get a free account in the beginning and it is for 7 days, so you can just click over here and start a new account. And while registering, it will ask you to register with using your Microsoft account or your Google account, so that it will be able to connect with your Google Meets, and all your meetings scheduled on Google Meets will already appear on the Fireflies.ai. There are different platforms that can also be connected to Fireflies.ai, like Zoom meetings can also be connected to it, and Fireflies.ai actually helps us take all the notes of that particular meeting, and we actually see all the transcripts from that meeting and the summary of that meeting and also the videos of that meeting. So in case if you want to go through the meeting again after attending it on some other day, then we can actually go to it and see all of it. Fireflies.ai will basically send you the recap of that particular meeting on your email. So this is how it will work. While creating your account, just select all the options appropriately, and after that you will be able to receive the updates accordingly. Suppose you want the recaps to be sent to your whole team, then while creating your account you can select this option of send recaps to only me and participants from my team. So this way your teammates will also be receiving the recaps. You can add your teammates on Fireflies.ai, and you can also change these settings even after creating your account. And since I have the free version of it, that's why I'm not going into the deep of the paid version, but it is quite easy. All you have to do is just choose these options appropriately, add your teammates, and all the scheduled meetings will appear on Fireflies.ai, and then you will be able to join the meetings like the way you already joined them, and Fireflies.ai will get to its work without you even noticing it. So this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.